Greetings everybody, Dave Matuzik here. I'm a solutions consultant here at TriMech, and I have another MasterCAM tech tip for all of you. I'm cutting this electrode here, and the top of this model here from the floor to the top is about 2 inches tall. Unfortunately, I'm in a situation where I can only stick the tool out 1.5 inches. So as you can guess, the holder is going to hit the part, and we'll see that here in the verify in just a moment. And there is my holder hitting. And that's usually a bad thing. So I'm going to show you some things we can do to deal with that without having to go find a longer tool. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come into my options, and a lot of people don't know about this collision checking feature. I'm going to turn it on, and by default everyone has the value here, trim to avoid gouge. And we have a holder clearance so that I have 50 thou clearance around my holder. Let's run this toolpath and see what we get for a result. You're going to get a warning. The warning just telling me to make sure that I verify and that I'm understanding what material is being machined and what's not. So we're okay with that warning there. Let's look at our cut. So you can see it trimmed out these areas of the cut down here where the holder would have hit. And I do have some options to relink how this toolpath behaves when it's going across the top, but at least we're not hitting our model anymore. Now another option I have that a lot of people don't know about again is this one. Tilt to avoid gouge. Now in order to do this I actually need a multi-axis license, so you do need that. And I'm just going to actually set my side tilt here to be the maximum the machine can do. We'll say 30 degrees. And I'll actually put some holder clearance on the bottom so that I make sure that the bottom doesn't hit. So I have the entire holder as a collision zone now. And I'm going to hit OK. I do get another warning that because this is a multi-axis operation, I can no longer do arc filter tolerances on this. It has to just be straight output. So it's just telling me that it's not going to work anymore. I get the same warning to make sure I backplot or verify this. And let's see what happens when we tilt to avoid our gouge. All right, let's backplot this and take a look. The tool is vertical wherever it can be. And then we'll see the tool tilt out. It gets to some of these bottom areas here where it would hit. So this tool is tilting to avoid that gouge. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.